So guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can check the search history of YouTube on your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up the YouTube app. So after opening the YouTube app, what you need to do, you have to click on your profile. Then what the simplest thing to do, you have to click on Google account. After going to Google account, you have to scroll a little bit. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after going to the Google account, you have to scroll a little bit and you have to click on manage your data and privacy, this option. You have to click on this option right here. Then after that, you have to scroll a little bit down here and you will find the option called YouTube history. You have to click on this YouTube history option. Then you have to scroll a little bit again. Then you have to click on manage history. Then all the search history and watch history of YouTube will be shown on here. You will find them here, all of them here. Okay, so this is it guys. This is how you can check the search history of YouTube on your mobile phone. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.